All right, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Kimmin, and this was my Google Classroom tutorial video. I'm just going to walk through and show you kind of the layout of my Google Classroom and point out some of the most important aspects. So by this point, if you've gotten to this video, probably you've already joined the class. And so if you go to your Google Classroom, your main page, and I would, by the way, put a tab or a bookmark up there in your Chrome bar, whatever, so that you can quickly access it. And so I'm just going to jump into, say, fourth period AP Biology. So if you're in my fourth period AP Biology, this is kind of what you should see. You see the stream. I would bypass the stream and go straight to classwork. So in classwork, you see, general information, assignments, all this. It's all tabbed over here on the side. I would go straight to weekly lesson plans. So the weekly lesson plan is there to organize everything and to try to help make things a little less stressful for you. So if you look at it, here's Tuesday. So everything that we have, all the assignments are linked. So if you click on, say, after this Google tutorial, the next thing I have for you to do is watch the teacher introduction video and student introduction video challenge. Click on that link, takes you directly to the assignment. Very nifty, I know, because now you don't have to look for everything. And you know what you need to do. So I put the instructions in there. I've got some questions I want you to answer, but first, watch my intro video. Sorry if it's very cringy. I can't help it. I'm a cringy guy. But I wanted you to, either do a video of yourself or just answer questions, whatever you're comfortable with. I would like you to do a video to kind of take the place of us meeting first face-to-face. Video will kind of supplement that and help with that so I can get to know you, even if I already know you before, as I say in this video that I want you to watch. So anyways, if we go back to the lesson plan, the next thing there is watch the video and syllabus pacing guide explanation, and then there's a syllabus quiz, and that quiz is due Thursday the 10th. And so pretty much, the lesson plan is your go-to each week. So if I'm confused or stressed and I don't know what to do, go to the lesson plan. If the lesson plan doesn't figure it out for you, I am here at the school. You can email me, or in the syllabus, I have a Google number, and with that Google number, you can call me, maybe text me. I don't know if that's how it works. I'll probably figure that out after this video. But anyways, it's there. Don't get stressed and overwhelmed. Just ask for help, because I'm here. I'm not leaving you hanging. And so then that's everything else for this week. And so here's, there's everything. There's the syllabus, all this stuff. So that's the main thing that I wanted to point out to you is go to the lesson plan. It'll help you figure out what to do. And that's it for this video. So the next thing you need to do is go watch the teacher introduction video, go watch my super cringy video, and hopefully you'll decide to do one yourself. It's not for a grade, but, I would like to know you. Thanks.